This hair product has absolutely blown me away. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a video based on your request. You guys have asked me for this countless times, so finally we are going to be reviewing the Ocean Clay by Sheh. Now before we jump into the hairstyling tutorial, I want to tell you a little bit about this product from what I know. This is a very, very healthy product for your hair. It's made with organic ingredients. It doesn't have sulfates or parabens in it, which means that it's gonna be very good for your hair. It's not gonna harm your hair. It's not gonna dry it out very much. And not only that, based on what Dre Drexler has said on his YouTube channel, this product actually acts as a hair mask while it's in your hair. So it's actually healing and repairing your hair while you're using it, which is a double whammy. That's really awesome. There's not really a product out there that does this. So if you're the type of person that's concerned about the health of your hair and the well-being of your hair, this is definitely a product that you want to check out. Now, I was really skeptical about getting this product at first because I'm particular. I have the products that I like to use. I don't branch out too much. But since you guys asked me to try it, I have heard great things about it. I wanted to test it out for myself. So I got this on Amazon. It came in like a week. Wasn't that bad at all, only 20 bucks. You know, you're getting a decent amount of product for the price with this as well. And, you know, for being as healthy as it is for your hair, I honestly would pay more money for this than I did. So again, I got this off Amazon. Sheh did not send me this. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it. Let's go ahead and jump right into the hairstyle. I'm going to do my textured messy quiff, my everyday hairstyle. So this would be something that I would do on a regular basis. Now opening it up, it is sort of a dark brown material. It almost resembles that of Hansafuko Claymation. It's very similar in the way that it looks and feels when you pull it out of the jar. It's gonna be super thick, super sticky, at least at first when you get it on your finger. So I'm gonna get about this much, about the size of a nickel, just enough to emulsify and get it in my hair. If I need more after the fact, I'll get more then. The thing that I have found very curious about this product is when you emulsify it, that's when it really starts to loosen up. It almost feels like it's not gonna have a lot of hold when you start to emulsify because it gets so soft and almost so creamy feeling in your hands. And there's definitely a little bit of hold there, but as you can see, it's broken all the way down. And it doesn't feel very sticky at all. But as you work it into the hair, that's really when it starts to stiffen up again. And as you can see, tons and tons of volume in my hair with this product before I even touch the hairdryer, which just goes to show how strong of a hold this is gonna have for you. My hair is very thick. I have a lot of hair too. So for my hair to just stand straight up like this without any type of heat being applied to it or anything, just the product alone, that's very unusual. But that's a good thing. It means this product has a very strong and firm hold. It's gonna last all day long, and I'm probably not gonna need any more hair product than what I have in here right now. All right, now let's apply some heat and see what happens. All right, now we have tons of volume. Let's style it. All right guys, and that is pretty much the final results of the Ocean Clay. What do you think? Do you like the hairstyle? Do you like the way the product turned out? I really dig it. To be honest, it is very similar in the way that it holds and the texture that it creates to Hansafuko Claymation. So if you're a fan of Hansafuko Claymation, you will probably like this product because I love Claymation. It's my go-to, it's my everyday, but this might take its place. Just saying. I love this product. I think you should check it out. Head over to shabu.com. I will link it in the description for you because I definitely think this is worth your hard-earned cash because this is an amazing product. It's good for your hair. It has a ton of volume and hold. I didn't need to use that much of it, which means that I'll save money in the long run. Overall, this is a fantastic hair product. All right, guys, and before we head out, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold & Black. Rose Gold & Black is my absolute favorite men's jewelry company, and they are putting out some of the best stuff on the market. Literally, bracelets, watches, necklaces, rings. You can get anything from them, and it will take your style game to the next level. If you're struggling, trying to figure out what can make you stand out amongst the rest, accessories and jewelry are always a great option for you because they're more affordable than super expensive pieces of clothing, and it adds a unique bit to your character. If you click on the link in the description of this video, it will take you to our specific Rose Gold & Black landing page where I have hand selected some of my favorite pieces that I think you will dig as well. So head over to rosegoldandblack.com, pick yourself out some high quality jewelry, and take advantage of a discount on your boy. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you liked the video, give it a big fat thumbs up down below. Drop your comments in the comment section and let me know what types of videos you want to see next, and I will do my best to make those for you. If you have not already, join the crew, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on the post notifications so you can see when I upload videos next. I will see you guys next week. I'm out.